We concluded the last video by stating that in this session, we will move on to explain the students the concepts of relating commonly used larger and smaller units of length and converting one into another, estimating the measured distance and identifying right angles in the environment. In order to do this, we will initiate an activity. Ask the students to work in the same group as earlier. Working in groups will strengthen their interpersonal relationships as well as aid in developing values of politeness and equality. Then, ask the students to walk from one position to another to create a map. Tell them that the groups will have to follow certain guidelines to perform the activity to identify right angles. Inform the students to carry a pen and paper with them, trace the path on the paper as they walk. Make symbols to represent landmarks of whatever they observe along the way. Count the number of steps while walking back to the starting point. Observe the angles along the way. Observing elements of the environment will aid in developing students' observational skills. Give enough time to the students to make the map. Once the students are done making the map, we will start with the enquiries based on the activity. To begin with, ask the students, which angles did you observe along the way? Accept all possible responses. Follow this up by asking, what all objects did you see? Let the students respond. Finally, ask them to identify the right angles in the objects which they observed along the way. Accept all possible responses. Guide the students to identify the right angles in the environment. Let's continue with their experience further, but in our next video.